Today, we are literally building the keys to the kingdom. We're not talking about just using AI agents. Nope. We are going to create the specific role that lets your team actually design, build, and configure them from the ground up. So let's unlock that studio. Okay, first things first. It's really important to get this distinction clear in your head. Inside the AI agent studio, there are two totally different paths. You've got your AI agent user, right? They just interact with agents that are already good to go. But then you have the AI agent designer, and that's our focus. This is the person who gets their hands dirty, the one who's actually in there building brand new agents.
And just so we're all on the same page, this entire explainer is for that second group. We are setting up the designer role. So if you want to be the architect, not just someone living in the house, you are absolutely in the right place. Now, before we can forge this really powerful role, we have to lay down the proper foundation. And look, this isn't just busy work. These prerequisites are absolutely essential. If you skip these, nothing else is going to function correctly. So let's get into the blueprint. First up, we've got to enable a key profile option. So you're going to navigate to Manage Administrator Profile Values and hunt down this very specific option, ORASESAS Integration Enabled. Now, the critical part here, and you can't miss this, is to set the value to Yes at the site level. This is what lets the security console play nice with the permission groups we're about to set up. Okay, with that profile option set, the next thing you have to do is run two scheduled processes. And listen, the order here matters a lot. First, you run import resource application security data. Let that finish. And then you run import user and role application security data. This sequence is what pulls all that crucial security info into the Fusion Applications security tables. Don't mix them up. All right, the foundation is set. Now it's time for the main event, actually forging the master key itself. We are going to create the custom job role that's going to act as the container for all the designer permissions we need. So head on over to the security console. You'll find it under Tools in your navigator. From there, you're going to create a brand new role, give it a really obvious name, something like AI Agent Designer makes sense. Now, as you're doing this, pay very close attention. There's a critical checkbox you have to activate. Enable permission groups. I'm serious, make sure that is checked. If you miss this step, the whole thing falls apart. So what's a master key without its teeth, right? It's useless. Our new role is basically an empty shell right now. It needs the specific powers to actually do anything across all the different product suites. This is where we grant it the ability to design agents for CX, finance, HCM, you name it. And here they are. This is the whole shebang. Inside your new custom role, you're going to go to the role hierarchy section, and you're going to add all 8 of these specific administrator duty roles. You can see the pattern, right? Each one unlocks the designer powers for a different product family. CX for customer experience, Fin for financials, SCM for supply chain. You get the idea. By adding all of them, you're creating a truly comprehensive, all-access designer role. We are so close. We've built the structure, we've added the core powers. Now it is time for the final polish. There is just one more crucial piece to add before we can save our work and actually hand this role over to our designers. Let's take a look at the last piece of the puzzle. And here it is. On the Roles and Privileges tab, you need to add this one last thing. ORA_FAI_manage_all AI agents. Think of this as the final management privilege that just ties everything we've done together. It's the component that really completes the role's full set of powers inside the studio. With that final privilege locked in, that's it. You're done. The only thing left to do is save that custom role you so carefully built, and then, of course, assign it to the users who you've picked to be your official AI agent designers. So what's the big payoff for all this work? Well, the source material says it best. Users with this custom role can then access the AI Agent Studio to create, configure, validate, and deploy AI agents. See, you haven't just turned on a feature, you've basically just empowered a whole new class of creators inside your organization. So you've followed the blueprint, you've forged the master key, and you've handed it over. All the technical setup is complete, which leaves us with really only one question, and this one's a creative one. Your designers now hold the key. What on earth are they going to build first?